When buying tomatoes, be sure to freeze a few. Delicious dishes that help clear clogged blood vessels. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Did you know that frozen tomatoes taste much better? Today, I'm going to share with you 2 delicious dishes made from frozen tomatoes. Tomatoes are usually sold in packages, so you've probably eaten 1 or 2 and have leftovers. Now, just put the tomatoes on the table and you can quickly turn them into delicious dishes. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, just pour water. When the skin is slightly soft, you can peel it. While thawing, remove the stems. When the skin is slightly soft, you can peel it. Make a light cut on the skin and peel it off. It will be easier. Even though it has not undergone any special treatment, you will find that the skin still comes off very easily. Peeled tomatoes carefully cut into bite-sized pieces. Put the cut tomatoes in the blender and puree. If it is difficult to blend, you can add a little water. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When you open the lid to check, you will see that the delicious tomato smoothie is complete. Scoop it onto a nice plate. Can eat it right away, or drizzle with honey or syrup to enhance the flavor. When I tried it, it tasted better than ice cream. For the second dish, also prepare peeled tomatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Two to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. And a little yuzu jam to taste. Mix well to let the spices soak in. Then store in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. At this point, the outside is slightly melted to help the sauce soak in, while the inside is still in the form of crushed ice, creating a cool dessert, very suitable to enjoy on hot days. When I tried it, it was so delicious that it woke me up. Try it now. You can also puree frozen tomatoes for later use. Remove frozen tomatoes from the freezer. Rinse quickly under warm running water or leave at room temperature for about 1 to 2 minutes to soften the surface. Use a knife to lightly cut a line on the skin. Peel off the thin layer of skin, which will come off easily without having to blanch in boiling water. Cut the tomatoes into bite-sized pieces to make it easier for the blender to work. If the tomatoes are very juicy, you can keep the water to preserve the flavor. Put the tomatoes in the blender. Blend until smooth. No need to remove the seeds if you want to keep the fiber. Use a spoon to scoop the pureed tomato mixture into an ice cube tray. Put the tray in the freezer. Store for up to 6 months while still maintaining good flavor. When cooking, just take the right number of cubes, bags needed. Put them directly into the panned or pot. No need to defrost first. Suitable for pasta sauces, pizza, curries, soups, stews, braised dishes. I will show you how to defrost. I made 2 small cuts on each tomato. Poured boiling water over it. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. Poured boiling water over it. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. Then I peel and chop it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add a clove of garlic and a little extra virgin olive oil. I put the tomatoes in and cook for about 10 minutes from the time the water boils. The tomato sauce is ready. Fresh tomatoes, more flavorful than unfrozen tomatoes. Preserve tomatoes by taping the stems. When you buy fresh tomatoes, don't wash them right away, as water can soften the skin and make them more susceptible to damage. Now, take a basket or tray. Then, place each tomato on the basket with the stem facing down. This will help reduce water loss and make the tomatoes ripen more evenly. Arrange all the tomatoes. If any of them don't have stems, use tape to cover the stems. This will help prevent bacteria from entering and retain the necessary moisture for longer storage. When you eat them, just remove the tape, wash them, and prepare them. If you don't tape them, the tomatoes will ripen automatically in 1 to 2 days. You should only arrange tomatoes in one layer, not on top of each other, to avoid crushing the fruit. With this method, you only need to leave them at room temperature, but it will take up a bit of space if you have a lot of tomatoes. The preservation time in this way is 10 days. Use toilet paper or newspaper to wrap each tomato tightly. Wrapping the paper will reduce the amount of air contact with the tomatoes, retain moisture, help the tomatoes stay fresh longer, and retain their color. Next, prepare a paper box. Now prepare some edible baking soda and sprinkle a thin layer on the bottom of the box. You don't need much. Baking soda is edible, so it is very safe. It will absorb moisture, helping the tomatoes stay fresh longer. Then, arrange the tomatoes. Remember not to put them too close together. If there are many tomatoes, you can put more cardboard between the layers and continue to arrange them. With this method, you can keep the tomatoes for 1 month at room temperature, while still maintaining their flavor and freshness. Finally, close the lid of the box and store in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight. Today's video ends here. If you find the content useful, don't forget to like and follow me. I will share more good content every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.